What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the back panel of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is in the hands of the user. The photos has already been commented on by the famous insider Ice Universe. But still, some insiders says that this may not be the final version. In early 2022, Samsung will officially unveil the Galaxy S20 series of smartphones. It is already known that the series will include three models: the base S22, the advanced S22 Plus, and the top-end S22 Ultra. The authoritative insider Ice Universe has commented on the first photo of the back panel of the flagship smartphone Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, which appeared on the Chinese social network Weibo. The back cover of this alleged Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is generally correct, but it lacks a flash hole, so it may not be the final version. Although there are more than 3 months before the announcement of the devices, the resource Let's Go Digital, together with Super Roder Informant and designer Technizo Concept, shared concept renders of the Galaxy S22 Ultra smartphone. According to available data, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will feature a 6.8 inches AMOLED display with curved edges. The phone will have narrow bezels and a hole for a selfie camera, the resolution of which will be 40 megapixels, like the Galaxy S21 Ultra. As you can see in the presented renders, the smartphone will receive a rear camera design without a rectangular or P-shaped platform. This time the manufacturer chose a different solution, which can be poetically called drops of water. A similar design was previously used in Samsung's A-series smartphones, such as the Galaxy A32 and the LG Velvet. In addition to the 108 megapixel main camera, there will be an ultra-wide-angle 12 megapixel camera and two 12 megapixel telephoto cameras with 3x and 10x optical zoom. The ultra wide angle camera will be equipped with the optical image stabilization for the first time. The smartphone should get a compartment for storing the S Pen stylus, which can be inserted into the smartphone through the lower left corner, just like the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. While the current Galaxy S21 Ultra is also S Pen compatible, the smartphone does not have room for a stylus, so you will need to buy a matching case for it. To add room for the stylus, Samsung will have to reshape the case and move away from the rounded corners that are so characteristic of the Galaxy S series. So the new model will have a lot more resemblance to the more rectangular Note line. Ice Universe has provided accurate information on Samsung smartphones and image sensors many times, including the recent announcements of the new 50 megapixel and 200 megapixel sensors. He was also the first to show accurate images of the smartphones with waterfall screens. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.
Yeah.